Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. In this session, we are gonna learn the homepage of the Apex. In the previous session, I have uploaded what is Apex and why we are using Apex, everything. So in this session, we will be learning about the architecture of Apex and the UI, that is the homepage of Apex and the page designer. So now let's dive in. So what is a low code? I have already mentioned it is low code, meaning that it is rapidly very easy development of the application. Within a day or weeks we can able to create an application. So speed, it is easy to learn and faster development. Innovation means it takes more time to focus on making the better app. Agility means response to the user request more quickly. Now we will be learning about one of the important topic, which is known as Apex architecture. So how the user will be getting the request from the Apex. So they are of two type, get and post. So in get, what will happen means the user clicks the link which sends to the HTTP GET method and it will be sent to odds. Odds means Oracle REST data servers. So next what it happen means the URL will be sent to the odds HTTP. So odds makes the database JDBC Java database to call the Apex engine, and then Apex engine will generate the HTML page, and at last the odds return the generated HTML back to the browser. So what happens here means the request will be sent to odds through HTML, and then the odds will be sending the HTML to the URL to the Apex engine, and then the Apex creates the HTML page, and then at last odds will return back to the URL. So next, the post method is nothing but when the user clicks on the button, the HTTP post to odds. Odds makes the database JDBC to the Apex engine, and next the Apex processes the request, and at last the Apex determines the URL and branches. So this is how Apex works. This is the whole Apex architecture where the get and post method works. So the request will be sent to odds, and the odds will be stored in the Apex engine, and then it will be sent back to the send the request back to the user. Now we will be seeing about the data workspace instance and multiple workspace. So workspace, what is a workspace? When it helps us to define application definitions or schema. So in our workspace we will be having schema 1, schema 2, schema 3 and schema 4. So in workspace 1 means department 1, workspace 2 department 2, workspace 3 department 3, like that. So many to many relationship between workspace and the schemas. So they can also be an instance administrator to manage the schema access. So after you log into sign into your account, you can able to access your workspace schema. The next topic is what Apex will do for us. Apex provides a better UI, that is the user interface, data accessibility and visualization. We can able to create a dashboards through in Apex. Also security, provides a vast amount of security, also globalization and performance. Already it has an inbuilt function, so Apex will be better for a beginner friendly app development. Next, moving to the product components. The product components includes the app builder. As soon as you sign into your workspace, the very first page you will be getting is your app builder. App builder is nothing but an IDE, that is an integrated development environment, and it is also a graphical page designer. So this is how the app builder looks like. Here you can able to create, export, import dashboards. Also you can able to create an application, create pages, etc. So this is what the app builder. At the bottom you can also able to create and manage multiple users. You can also able to customize your themes, and you can also able to log out. So this is the app builder page. So and I hope you understood this app builder page. Also if you click on the application, it will take you to the run application, and then it will be moving to the shared components, utilities and import and export applications. Also at the top you can able to click on the users, that is the documentation where you can learn about the Apex. Also you can able to create and manage multiple users, and the question mark is the administration, and you can able to change the color theme like light theme or black theme. So next is page designer. Page designer is where it is a IDE. The IDE means Integrated Development Environment, which will be equipped with the toolbar and multiple panes, which I have already told in the previous session. So here the left pane is the hierarchical. Here you can able to create the buttons, regions, etc. And this middle pane is the layout. So here you can able to page search, and you can also able to get access with the help. The right pane is for the property. So if you click on the button, the whole property will be changed here. So you can able to change it by using the identification or appearance. Wherever you want, you can able to make the changes. So this is about the page designer of the Apex. Here you are, the square, rectangle and circle indicates the shared components. Also you can able to enter your page number in the place of 2, and if you enter 15 and if you press go means it will take you to the 15th page. So this is all about the page designer in Apex. As I have told, multiple trees to view the page components, visualizations and also a code editor at the left. So what is app builder? App builder, a code editor. Here you can able to undo or redo the query, syntax highlighting, find and replace, auto completion, code validation. Also in SQL workshop you can able to use this app editor. Next is universal theme. Universal theme means it is for the whole application. So this is at the bottom you can able to see the home, the app page, session, debug, quick edit, customize. This is the developer toolbar. So if you click on the customize means the theme roller will be available. You can able to customize your themes for the whole application. At the bottom of the page, the developer tool, you can able to click on it, theme roller. You can also able to customize your themes. Also it provides a different color schemas and style for a design. You can also apply for this whole application. It also has a built-in roller, so you can also at the bottom you can able to customize the CSS. So next one is SQL Workshop. SQL Workshop, as the name suggests, it helps us to write codes, queries, commands, etc. So if you click on the SQL Workshop, right click. If you click on the app builder, right click means you can able to get the object browser. So that is the second screenshot. The object browser is where you can able to view your table, packages, indexes, tables, procedures, etc. So this is for SQL Workshop, where you can able to write your command scripts, RESTful services, utilities and RESTful services. In RESTful services you can able to create your APIs. So next is a SQL Workshop guide. So if you click on the utilities, you will be going to the quick SQL, where you can able to mark down like shorthand SQL syntax. So next one is team development. Team development means, as the name suggests, it is used for tracking, managing the task for your team. And at last, gallery. If you click on gallery and if you are a beginner means it will be very useful. Here all the pre-built in applications, what are we are using, cards, regions, dynamic action, smart filters, cards, calendars, everything will be available here. Charts, whatever you want as a beginner, it will be very useful for you. So gallery is a pre-built-in feature where you can able to install and you can learn from it. So I hope this session will be useful for you. So in the next session we will be seeing the continuation of this. So in next session we will be learning how to create an application. Thank you for our attention till now. Also, if you found this video was useful, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful contents like this. Thank you.